red.
Daida bone.
And this is the big bone of the dinosaur. I can be your tour guide, Ethan.
Daida bone.
Sumama yung si Kuya.
Ayun. Lagi na daw kasi silang nandito.
Ay, matatakot yan sa inyo. Ay,
Not scary. Ano?
Si Tayo. Ano? Nagulat si Nina.
Ay, not scary. Because mom is here.
Tinatawanan tayo. Nina kasi stop looking eh.
It's okay. It's only a fountain. Fountain. And the little Daida.
Bibi na ulo din.
Are you scared or not?
No. I'm brave. Ethan, you've seen this from YouTube, no? This is nice. You already saw this.
Bawal sumigot. Aray.
oo, kayo naman eh.
Ay, nagulat din ako. Biglang may lumabas.
Ay, sa akin, kinanon yung aking ano. Ethan, you're overriding the train.
There's a dinosaur there.
Ethan na! Hi!
Lalakad dyan sa likod mo.
It's okay. It's okay. They will not eat us. Ano?
Oh, they are just saying hello.
Yeah. Saying hi, Ivan. Oh, Jurassic Dinosaur Island Club. Okay, good. Yeah, from
Just like your Daida.
Daida Island. There. It's okay.
Ay, ito na!
Bawal kaming matakot.
Ay, kay padaya, naglagay payong.
Ay, may naulan na ako.
Bawal kaming matakot.
Ayun na, may isa pa dun.
Parang nasa sense niya to eh. Ano?
Oo, may sensor.
Are you okay or tired?
I'm fine.
You will drink water, ate. Asan water na?
Ay, teka lang, mamaya mapasalubog
Sabi ko.
Sabi ko.
Oh,
You're looking for the Daida?
Chunk is there.
Ay, kasi daw ko lang parang baka namumot.
You're not scared naman. Oh, wait lang.
Mommy is holding naman ano.
It's only a sound. No more Daida here. It's only a sound. No more Daida. It's only a sound. It's not scary. Oh, it's okay. It's okay.
You can hear oh.
Oh, hi! Hello! Wow, good job.
Ay, parang hindi na napao.
Drink mo ng water. Uy, it's a big egg. May Daida. Huwag mo i-ano. It's okay, it's okay. It's okay, it's okay.
Si King Kong.
King Kong, hi King Kong.
Oo, kala naman ang kasama pala din yung sigaw ng sigaw.
Ay, it's done na.
Ethan na yun na si Kuya, oh. It's done na. Ethan yung seen the, the gorilla and the dinosaur.
yung gorilla, baby. Nandun na kay Chong.
Oo, mamaya magnanaki yun kay Chong.
Wow.
Na kay Opa, oh, na.
Are you happy with the Daida?
Or scared.
Or scared?
Ay, okay. Ethan, another one here.
It's the last one. It's okay. Yeah. It's completed. Thank you.
Kasi thank you sa kila Kuya.
Atakayin naman kami nila.
Thank you so
so much.
Thank you po.